Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and in today's Vlogmas video, we have a little takeover by Big M, aka my mom. You guys always compliment on her cooking and different dishes that I show on Instagram and YouTube. So I posted this dish on Instagram about a week ago and you guys were going crazy. So I was like, sis, you gotta run it back and show the people and tell the people how you made this dish. So that's exactly what she's gonna be doing in today's video. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like the tips, if you guys like the food, if y'all are gonna try it, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and do not forget to follow my mom on Instagram at Margaret Menus. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Hi, it's Big M. I'm gonna be cooking in my kitchen today. Fried salmon, the sauce to go with it, and mixed vegetable rice. Watch me work.
So the fish is already clean,
Right.
seasoned.
In advance.
Okay, so now you're just coating it in flour.
Yeah, in the flour I put some seasoning.
Oh, okay. And then what oil are you using?
I'm using canola oil.
Okay. And how many people is this meal about you're making this to feed? How many people can it feed?
At least 4 people.
Okay. Ooh, this is a big serving.
Yeah, they have extra.
Leftovers. Okay, so now the fish is in the oil frying, right?
Right.
So you just let it fry for some time, right?
Yeah.
And then you flip it over
Yeah, when it's brown.
when it's brown. Okay, so we'll show you guys when it's brown. Okay, so now we're over here, and what are you doing?
I'm cutting the peppers, getting ready to make the sauce.
So the peppers are part of the sauce.
Right.
Okay.
I boil this until it's halfway done.
So you boil the peppers on their own before they're halfway done,
Yeah.
and then you add it in to the other ingredients of the sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, which we'll get into in a few.
Now the peppers are on.
Well, they're not on yet, girl.
Now they're on. I'm just adding a chicken cube to boil in there for now.
And this is what a chicken cube is for reference. I don't know what you guys call it in your culture, but we call it a chicken cube. Okay. And you added water.
Right.
So now the peppers are just going to boil, right?
Yeah.
How long do you make them boil for? You said until they're halfway done, but how long does that take?
Maybe 15-20 minutes.
Okay, cool. So that'll be doing its thing. The fish is over here doing its thing. You just cook the fish. And this is how brown it should be. Once you flip it.
Then I take it to the side.
So is the other side done cooking, the back?
Right?
Decide that it was just almost done cooking?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm putting it to the side now. So this is so all sides can get
Ooh. So now you're flipping the fish to the fourth side, right?
Yeah.
Ooh. Nice and brown and golden. So what are you doing now?
Getting ready. The fish is all done. I'm getting ready to take it off the frying pan. Yeah, I'm taking it out. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Off the frying pan.
Okay.
It's all done.
And you're putting it on this foil pan that's coated with paper towel so it could soak up
The grease, yeah, the excess grease.
Ooh. Looks so
Okay.
good. Okay, so now the peppers are about halfway done, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you adding in?
I'm adding onions.
Okay. Is this white onion? Yellow onion?
That's the yellow, the regular ones.
Oh, not the regular one.
The yellow one, sorry.
People always are confused that is it white or yellow. So is it white or yellow?
Yellow.
Okay. So you just, this is what, like half an onion?
I like a lot of one. Yeah, about half.
Nah, I like a lot of onion.
About a whole onion.
A whole onion?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to taste the flavor.
Okay.
Garlic, fresh garlic.
Okay, so you put the onion and the garlic in. Now you're gonna add your seasonings. So show us what you're using. Put it in the camera. They can't see. You gotta put it down.
Oh, right there. Okay.
Yeah, right there's the whole thing. Okay, black pepper.
Chicken seasoning, just a little bit.
Okay. Okay, Goya adobo. Okay. Let's go shake a little bit more. Okay, soul food seasoning. Okay.
Garlic powder. Curry powder. Onion powder.
Oh, you like it real oniony.
Yeah. Extra.
Oh, girl, that's a lot of extra.
You want to taste the flavor? This is the perfect seasoning from Goya.
Is that the name of it? Oh, hold on, let me focus there. Oh, it's called the perfect seasoning. Okay. Don't go nowhere, girl. Where they gonna go?
Coconut milk.
What is this doing?
Give it a good flavor.
Oh, okay. Flavor queen.
You really taste it.
Okay, flavor queen.
And last but not least, Sesame, Goya Sesame.
Okay. What does this do?
So for the flavoring. Flavor. Okay. Then mix it all up.
Mix it. And then what do you do?
Tomatoes.
Oh, girl. Not you forgetting the tomato.
And then the tomato.
Oh. So you're adding in tomato and it's the last step, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Mix it. Mix it, mix it. You gotta say it. Mix it, mix it.
Mix it, girl. Cover it up. Let it boil until everything is nice and tender.
Ooh. So now you're about to start the vegetable rice, right?
Vegetable rice.
Okay, you get the frozen veggies, right? Okay. So it's peas, corn, carrots, mixed vegetables. You gotta say it.
Mixed vegetables on. I'm gonna wait.
Girl, we are not going anywhere. We're tuned in.
And here I'm gonna put chicken cubes.
Did you put a whole one or half?
I'm gonna put like half. I'm putting another one because that was less than half.
Okay.
Another piece. Chicken seasoning.
Okay. Just a little dash, a little splash.
Black pepper. For your double.
So basically like the same seasonings from the sauce, right?
Right.
Okay.
Soul food seasoning.
Okay. Well, it's getting a little hot in Big M's kitchen. Okay.
Garlic powder. Curry powder.
Okay, what's this now? Onion powder.
Onion powder.
What is it?
Perfect seasoning. Just the dust.
So where do you buy your seasonings from?
Where from? Stop and Shop.
Stop and Shop. Palm Tree. Yeah. Twins.
Palm Tree.
Where else? But you could get like these seasonings from any local supermarket, right? Or like your local Caribbean supermarket.
Right. That's correct.
Okay, so you season the veggies. These are going to be used for the rice.
I'm going to let it boil maybe for about half an hour.
Okay.
And then I'll add the rice and whatever else I have to add.
Okay, so we'll sit tight. Okay, so the sauce is done, right?
Yeah.
You're just going to let it cool off a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. The vegetables have boiled, right?
Yeah.
And you wash the rice.
Yeah. Ahead of time.
So you're adding onions to the vegetable.
Rice. To the vegetable there. I'm gonna put the rice in.
Okay. So you're adding the rice.
The rice in right now.
So we have the rice, the vegetables, and the onions. You gotta get every grain, honey.
Yeah, every. Yeah, we're gonna add coconut milk, cream.
Let's see it. So the same coconut milk that you have put in the sauce. Okay.
You stir it in, not too much. You don't want it to burn. Just
to burn?
You don't want the rice to burn. If you stir it too much, just to the top. You make a little stirring and that's it.
Okay, so we wait. It's done cooking? Okay. How long did that take?
About maybe for a little over 45 minutes.
Okay. So everything is done?
Yes.
So let's do plating. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my mom make this meal. If you guys did, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys try this dish, make sure you guys tag me and her on Instagram at Kensthetic_ and at Margaret Menu so we can see. And let me know if you guys like these type of videos. What dishes do you guys want to see my mom cook next? Any suggestions? Anything you guys want to see, just leave it down below in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Something different, especially during this Vlogmas festive holiday season. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. Before you guys head out, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop that comment down below. And until my next video, which will be tomorrow because I am posting every day until Christmas Day. Until my next video tomorrow, I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Love you guys so much.